Rere ahuri biashara guku bururi-ini makoretwo magiteta ni undu wa indo iria ciumaga nja wa bururi. Minister wa biashara na iganda guku bururi-ini Betty Maina augite thirikari iri na mubango wa mitaratara iria ikwamurwo kugiririria indo iria ciumaga nja wa bururi na iria ingithondekerwo guku bururi-ini.
That's something we're actually looking into, controlling imports and ensuring that the imports that come into the country are bona fide products and that they pay the necessary taxes. For products such as this, for textiles, for instance, the common external tariff is actually at 25%. So there's a lot of protection for local industry.
Yeah, matuike considered nigetha matikanauge mokire guteithia community matekurihwo na teni na riu athuri na atumia aria maumite guku githunguri aria Ngai ateithitie akamarathima magatuhe mbeca tukahota riu kwanjiriria kuriha ayuthi aya mathondeke mask cia kuheana thiini wa community ya githunguri. Target itu irare o mundu wothe aheo mask nake.
Maina athiete na mbere na kuria mbeu njithi gwikirira mawira ma kuhuthira mitambo ya kiriu.
Capacity building young people to take up more digital jobs. One of the things that has happened with us under COVID is that we've realized the potential in digital economy, and therefore young people are well placed to do that.
Akiaria hindi iria gucerete kiganda-ini gia guthondeka mask mwena wa Githunguri na iria iraheanagwo hatari marihi, ni uritie mask ici heanagwo kuri muingi na thogora wa thi niguo kuhota kuriha aria maracithondeka kiganda-ini giki.
And I really appreciate that this was started almost like a CSR project within the community, but you need to turn this into a business and you need to structure it into a business going forward. And even as government support, whether it's through KIE, go through MSEA comes, it must be as a business. You cannot sustain this on a voluntary basis. So the challenge to Mheshimiwa and also to the group is to organize yourself into a group and into a business that can receive support.
Mwena-ini wake mubunge wa gicigo giki Kago wa Lady augite andu aya na aria ni makiria ma 60 marihagwo na mask iria mathondeka na kuria marihagwo ciringi 10 o mask, na o mundu ni ahotaga guthondeka mask itanyihiire 600.
The beauty about it is we are paying the tailors per piece, and we are also looking on the quality. So on an average, one tailor is able to make at least 60 pieces.
Gukiri uguo Kago ni uritie thirikari gutaraniria atumia aya na aria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta augire mekuheo wira andu 29,000. Ningi kiganda giki ni kihotete kuongerera namba ya mask iria githondekaga oro muthenya ukiringithania na hau kabere, gukirikana thina wao munene ni unyihu wa haria marutagira wira.
Wona thirikari yakinyaniria mitaratara iria yarire ya kugira indo iria ciumaga nja wa bururi na no cithondekerwo guku bururi-ini, kiriro kia ene iganda guku bururi-ini kia ya gukinya muthia. Kameme TV ngithie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Njitagwo Wanjikũ wa Wanjikũ.